Hi, I'm Shashank from 7 Tech Pro Innovations and would like to welcome you to the world of robotics. As you know, in today's time, robotics have become such an integral part of our lives, such that robots are interacting with us like we do with each other, as well as delivering our shopping packages right to our doorsteps. So, basically, robots are reducing the human effort by completing particular tasks with the help of sensors, program controllers, and actuators. Ever wonder if you could learn to design and program your own personal robot that could help to serve your personal need? And even one can make a career in robotics during this learning process, as it is the need of today and the future. We at 7 Tech Pro Innovation help you on this learning path by various learning medias. Visit our website to get started and connect with us on our social media to get latest updates on such projects and courses. Thank you and all the best.